Hi, you guys. I apologize. My webcam isn't working, so we're gonna just make do. And sorry, but this week you will not be seeing my face. So we're gonna go over the agenda for this week. The agenda we have Let's Make a Deal activity. This is in the 5.4, 5.5 folder. And then we have a Desmos activity. This is replacing big ideas for just this week, and it will not become accessible to you guys until after class. And then we should have time in class to finish the activity, but if you don't, then it would need to be done outside of class. So in person, we will complete our warm-up. We will go over the 5.4 and 5.5 notes. And then if you're absent, make sure you let me know and I'll send those to you directly on Schoology. And then we'll have time for that Desmos activity. Like I said, if it's not completed in class, then it is something that you would have to do at home. But we should have plenty of time to work through that. Just a reminder, everything is due at 11:59 on Sunday, the 17th. And then if you are wanting to join me for office hours and you'd like to Zoom, here's the link to that Zoom meeting. That's Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and the times are listed right here. So in the folder, what you guys will be able to see, we have the Let's Make a Deal activity. Is really the only thing that you'll see unless you're absent and you let me know, then the notes will show up here. But if you're not absent, then Let's Make a Deal is the only thing that you'll see besides the video and our agenda. And then after class, during class, I will publish our proportions activity, so our proportional relationship Desmos activity. And like I said, this is instead of big ideas this week. So this week we don't have a big ideas. We're doing this Desmos activity. And that's all that we have for this week. The end of the quarter is Friday, so make sure that if you have any missing work or if you need to do any retakes for Chapter 4, you get that all turned in to me. And then everything for Chapter 5, if it's missing, you need to get that turned in because that is on this quarter grades. And then next week we will have our Chapter 5 study guide, our Chapter 5 test, and all of that, and that'll go on third quarter grades. So make sure that you're completing all of your stuff and you get that all submitted before grades are due. I'll let you get to working.